Hey, welcome back to Clean Cut, where we can talk about the truth about just about anything, as long as we use logic and common sense.
This season, we're looking at the miracles of Jesus to see what they can tell us about God and his promises to the faithful. Last time, we talked about the healing of the sick and how that shows that an end to sickness will be part of life in heaven. Today, the healing of wounds. By wound, I mean some cut or rupture in the skin which causes bleeding or even the loss of a body part. And there are two big examples of this in the Gospels which aren't also associated with sicknesses like leprosy. And behold, a woman who was troubled with an issue of blood 12 years came behind him, and touched the hem of his garment, for she said within herself, "If I shall touch only his garment, I shall be healed." But Jesus, turning and seeing her, said, "Be of good heart, daughter, thy faith hath made thee whole." And the woman was made whole from that hour. Matthew 9:20-22. This is a woman who bled from some wound that wouldn't heal, frequently enough to be a problem, but not frequently enough to kill her from blood loss, despite not having any money left for extra food or drinks to replenish the lost blood. This would sound a bit like leukemia, except that it often kills in less than 12 years. Other abnormal bleeding causes include certain medications, which probably didn't exist at the time, a lack of vitamin K, which can be cured with leafy greens, so it probably wasn't that, and a condition inherited from her parents. However, these verses don't say anything about that being the case. What precisely caused her condition is a mystery. In any case, Jesus completely heals her of this condition with only a touch from his clothes, showing the ability to both heal the underlying cause of her condition and also to heal the wound from which the blood had spilled in the past. However, Jesus' ability to heal wounds isn't limited to just stitching up cuts or ruptures. "And one of them struck the servant of the high priest and cut off his right ear. But Jesus answering said, Suffer ye thus far. And when he had touched his ear, he healed him." Luke 22:50-51. Here, a man has his ear completely chopped off, and Jesus touches him, either reattaching his ear or giving him a completely new one. The verse is ambiguous on this point. If Jesus can heal a severed ear, he can also heal a lost finger, toe, or other limb. Based on these kinds of healings, we can see that Jesus is fully capable of repairing damaged, torn, broken, or even lost parts of the body. There's no wound or injury that he can't heal, which helps to flesh out the promise of God to his faithful. In heaven, there won't be any persistent wounds or injuries, and the ones that were previously present will be healed much more quickly and completely than they ever could have been on earth. Next time, healing the blind, deaf, and dumb.
That's all for now, so keep asking questions, and thanks for watching.